Bulldogs of the National University. Let's start off with their team captain, number 14, Jarrell Singh. At number 1, Rika Diolan. Number 3, Elijah Daphne Santiago. Number 16, guest player, Aliona Denise Santiago Manabat. At number 17, Myla Pablo. And number 18, Jasmine Nabor. Libero, number 5, Fatima Bea General. And sitting in as head coach, Mr. Edjet Mabayan. Calling on our Lady Brahmans of the University of Batangas. Let's start off with their team captain, number 13, Ronalyn Dawn Castor. At number 3, Krissa Madalugdog. Number 4, Kimberly Hamilia. Number 5, Lalin Garcia. Number 6, Siren Monteser. And at number 7, Carla Montenegro. Libero number 10, Glyza Jane Maquinto. Head coach, Mr. Ahmed Ayllon. This is match number 11 of the preliminaries. Good luck to both teams.
It's the Brahmans and the Bulldogs kasamang Ann at nakita natin dito ang tatangkad ng Lady Bulldogs kumpara dito sa mga taga Batangas ng Lady Brahmans.
Masabi nga natin, kahit dalawa lang yung standout in terms of height na itong Santiago Sisters, napupull up nila ang height average itong MU.
Kung matatangkad itong magkapatid na Santiago Sisters sa inyong mga telebisyon, dito po sa aming kinakatayuan, kailangan tumingala ka para masipat mo itong magkapatid na Mars. But of course, the Lady Bulldogs are all about the team, not just the Santiago Sisters. Yep. At dyan ang kanilang nais patunayan as they attempt to go for 2 straight wins laban dito sa hamon ng Lady Brahmans. And Jaja Santiago, pataas, natangkad, committing that attack error.
And itong NU, nakikita mo rin how the team...
Tingnan mo kung gano'ng katangkad si Jaja.
Konti na lang tataasan niya yung kamay niya.
Dalawang kaharap niya hanggang balikat lang niya. Joust at the net. Oh, good start here for the Maroon Shirts.
Sabi nga ni Coach Ahmed Ayllon, ang pinunta nila dito is to really get schooled and the experience mula dun sa mga top caliber teams na sumasali sa Shakey's D-League.
A good looking serve para dito sa Brahmans. Like that 3-0 na was Myla Pablo commits another attack error for NU.
Slow start for NU.
Very slow start. Kimberly Jamila. Ganda ang kanyang estilo sa pag-serve at malutong. .0 para dito sa Maroon Shirts. NU looking for its first point. And NU does, courtesy of that defensive kill by Jaja Santiago.
Again, ang adjustment na kailangan gawin at ang kailangan matutunan nitong University of Batangas kung paano ipipenetrate ang blocking nitong NU. Let's see.
First point of the Bulldogs, courtesy of Jaja Santiago, still 3-1. From the back line. Follow itong Brahmans. Hindi kumonekta. Cross court. Attack. Coming from NU. Courtesy of Jarrell Singh. Converts. Itong arch rivals ng Ateneo Lady Eagles sa UAAP.
Yung mga top teams.
Oo. Monteser trying to elude the double block ng NU, but NU nakatabla 3-0 kanina, ngayon 3-all talaan sa first set. Rika Diolan for NU. Going deep. Way too long. Kapag mong unahan yung mga blockers, bibilisan mo yung palo mo.
Oo, at saka yung effort na iwasan din yung kamay nung blockers.
Magalugdog, not able to convert. Ultra fast LTA for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for slow was 999. Rika Diolan scores once more. 5 straight points for the Lady Bulldogs. We're talking about the team that has a guest player, a national player, at yan ay si Dindin Santiago, back with the NU Bulldogs after 2 years. Mula nang siya ay nag-graduate dito sa NU. The Brahmans able to stay close to the Lady Bulldogs, behind by only a single point at 4, serving 5. Isang universidad sa may Bantang Legarda o Sampaloc area at isa naman mula pa sa Batangas City. Ayon sa ating third member ng ating panel na si Tricia Robredo, ang layong biyahe niya, maski na-star toll na tayo.
Oo. At yun ang kailangan din nila sanayin ng kanilang katawan, na galing sa biyahe at maglalaro.
Pero walang daan dyan, galing Cavitex, no? Iba, no?
I'm not really good with...
Sa inyo nagdaraan yan, ha?
I think so. Hindi, meron.
Obvious, the driver.
Or tulog lang ako habang nabiyahe.
Donyang-donya. Huli ka.
Pagsakay ng kotse, tulog.
Yes, sir. Pero itong Brahmans, fighting hard. They were already introduced to this Shakey's Billy competition by virtue of that first game loss sa FEU Lady Tamarals, but now fighting hard. Beating that huge and tall blocker na si Jaja Santiago.
That will definitely put a smile on her face. Bawi!
Rita Jolan making sure that Jaja is given that ball right in her sweet spot. No one there to block Jaja. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. At pumapasok na rin si Dindin Santiago. Jaja with an ace.
Jaja hindi lang sa offense ang aasahan at sa blocking, even her serve.
Husay talaga yan. 7-6 right now for NU. The 6'4 Jaja Santiago committing a service error. Si Dindin Santiago Manabat naman ay 6'2. Masang alam ko, matangkad sila sa amin ni Ann.
Definitely. Yan yung mga hanggang balikat lang. Pag ini-interview, kailangan nakaupo.
Yeah. Very poor service reception for NU. Allows the Brahmans to be in the driver's seat as we reach the first technical timeout, 8-7. Pong airing schedules ng ating Shakey's B-League sa GMA News TV. Saturdays, 12:55. Sundays, 12:45. Monday, Thursdays, 1:00 po ng hapon. Tricia Robredo, third man in the panel.
Nangapa at na-culture shock. This is how Coach Alma described University of Batangas' first meeting and debut in the Shakey's B-League. Talaga daw nanibago sila sa environment na dinala ng ligang ito, from the audience to the crowd to the televised game, and he admits that it would take some time for them to get used to it. Now, going up against the Lady Bulldogs, sabi rin ni Coach na kahit anong preparasyon ay mahihirapan sila. But Coach Edget of the Lady Bulldogs begged to differ as he kept reminding his girls to respect all opponents. Kung mapapansin, same starting 6 pa rin ang ginamit ng National U, at paliwanag dito ni Coach, they will not be letting their guards down. That's all for now, guys.
The moment you let your guard down, that is failing, that is preparing yourself to fail.
Yes. And tama rin yun, no? So, importante na kahit sino man ang makalaban mo, belittle anyone. You have to play the normal game, your usual game.
And I think those excellent teams understand that type of a situation wherein, of course, you play to the level of competition, but there's a certain level that you always want to bring out.
Yes.
At yung level na yan normally distinguishes you from other opponents. But right now, maski na natalo naman itong Brahmans dun sa FEU, lumaban naman sila ng gusto. They were swept in 3 straight sets, but I feel that magiging darling of the crowd itong Brahmans because of the way they play.
Hindi naman ang importante, palaging nakikitang lumalaban.
Coaches will always tell you to just give your best. And whatever happens, you will be judged according to the kind of effort that you render. And right now, the National University Lady Bulldogs able to stay ahead with its fan, family, and pizza has got to be Shakey's. Maliliit kaya mabibilis at magaling dumepensa for sure itong Brahmans.
And they will need their defense, especially they're up against a team like NU. Kailangan gumana ang depensa dyan.
Yung blocking probably could be a question mark for the Brahmans simply because of their size. Si Garcia na yung nakita kong pinakamatangkad sa kanila. Pero yung sa digs, service reception, tignan mo sila, tignan mo yung stance nila.
Floor defense, yun ang kailangan mo. You know, that's why the likes of yung Adamson team, ano, historically,
Yes.
makikita mo short yung kanilang line-up, pero bakit napakahirap nilang kalaban? Dahil ang floor defense nila talaga,
At pag
ibang klase.
pinag-usapan natin ang floor defense, ang namumuno dyan, si Lizzie Angat.
Oo.
I've covered them
Yes.
way back kay Mami Dulce Pante, early years ng New Millennium eh. Ang hirap kalaban talaga.
Oo. Talagang magtataka. Yung mga kalaban nila nagtataka, ano ba yan? Ang lakas na ng palo. Boy, pa rin.
Parang Nepader, ano? Chance ball given up by Enyo, pero masyadong mahaba ron. 10 points in the first set for the Brahmans. And throughout the many years, nasa 2015 na tayo, I think it's about 15 years na na-cover itong volleyball. And in the last few years, at least specifically in the last 2 years, nakikita mo that the game is on the rise. Sa following, sa level ng mga naglalaro at huge fan base ang ating nakita dito po sa inyong Shakey's League.
And of course, with the rise of social media din, no, mas madaling makasunod itong ating mga volleyball fans.
Tama yan. Instagram, Twitter,
Facebook. Kaya nga
Facebook.
sinasabi natin, all these volleyball players are now really celebrities.
household names.
Oo, talagang pagka nakikita ng mga tao sa labas, they really clamor to get a photo taken
Nice.
or an autograph.
Which is always welcome, not only for our athletes, but of course, for the people running itong ating Shakey's League.
Oo.
Blood, sweat, and tears ang pinuhunan natin para masimulan at mapanatili at mapalakas. Ito pong Shakey's League. Jolan, combination play, Myla Pablo, always unopposed. Parang mental lapse na pag hindi mo na-convert. Wala talagang makakamarka. Now it's 14-10, biggest days of the league para dito sa NU. Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, Ultra Fast LTE for a family, healthy, happy family. The Brahmans with a good service reception. Miscommunication between Din Santiago at ang kanilang team captain na si Singh. Guest player po itong si Din Santiago for the National U. Yolan going to the back.
Oh, one is out. And ito yung nagiging problema ng NU. I mean, clearly, in terms of skills, NU has it.
Lamang na lamang.
Lamang na lamang and height din, no? They have it. Pero ito talaga yung mga errors na ganun, nangyayari pa rin.
Pero ang hirap kalaban dito ng University of Batangas dahil makakasigurado ka hindi ito aayaw.
Oo.
Lahat ng bola habulin. Sabay sasabihin, matapang
Ball is good.
Oo, lagi. 15-12 for National U. Jamila against 2. Oh, good save by Myla Pablo. Free ball para dito sa NU. Chance na right now for the Brahmans. Maludugdog. Rejected.
Parang tongue
Oo.
twister.
Atake na naman para sa National U.
Defense is there.
Jamila against a solitary blocker. Nilobo na lang niya. Jolan. Oh! Oops! Opo. Nakakapwing po ang maliliit. Bakit nga ba hindi?
Long rally.
And that's really long, literally. And our audience here inside the Flying V Arena having a nice time watching the live action dito po sa ating paborito pa rin, Shakey's League. Welcome back to the first set action between the Brahmans and the Lady Bulldogs. Krisa Madalugdog and the Brahmans continue to fight hard. Time and again, they have rejected itong si Jaja Santiago. Jamila with the counter-attack for the maroon shirts. Combination play. Myla Pablo does not convert.
Ito yung mga tao natuwa kay Madalugdog dahil na-block niya.
Oo naman.
Nahawakan niya yung atake ni Santiago.
Kung nakikita mo itong kumpanan ni Coach Ahmed, talagang walang question yung effort, dumipensa at lumaban. At yun lang ang tangan talaga nila rito, yung malalaking puso at yung ganado at determinadong outlook. But they commit a service error. Sabi ni Coach Ahmed, relax lang, napalakpakan lang tayo, relax lang. Kalma lang, kalma lang. The official ball of the Shakey's League is Mikasa.
Tama ka, Coach. Mukhang easily magiging crowd favorite
Oo.
itong UB.
Di ba kadalasan pag may mga maliliit na sprite di maglaro, di ba? Matutuwa ka talaga
Oo.
dahil hindi mo basta-basta tatalunin eh. Monteser against the double block. Almost but not quite. Jaja. This time. Makita mo, kunot doon, labas ugat. Pinatay yung bola.
Kailangan na raw eh.
Kailangan na.
Oo.
Hindi na pwedeng papitik-pitik. Kailangan talaga hataw. Kailangan upak. Ang galing sumangga ng bola nitong Brahmans. Makikita mo talaga. Lahat. Tingnan mo kung tama yung defensive stance. Normally, coaches will remind them pa, stay low, stay low.
Yes.
Tingnan
Ito,
mo yung
yun na
coverage.
talaga.
Oh. Ayan, no?
And you see them, no? Binabasa talaga. Pinupwestuhan. Binabasa kung
Exactly.
saan pupunta yung bola.
Push coming from the Brahmans. Diolan. Going to the back. Good save for the Brahmans. Monteser. Diolan for Enyo Jaja. Alam mo, naninigurado na si Diolan.
Oo eh. Yun lang eh. Itong si Jaja will really be challenging dahil yung abot pa lang niya ng bola.
Hindi sa net ang depensa sa kanya. Although kanina may nakuha itong si Madalogdog. Kundi sasaluhin mo lang sa
Oo.
ilalim. Another good serve. For Diolan. Madalogdog with a drop. Also play coming from Nabor. Oops.
Sing.
Oo, committing that attack error. Looking for that cross-court winner. Pero hindi tumawid. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet first was $9.99. Good service reception coming from Myla Pablo. At yung palo ulit ni Sing na yan.
Oo.
Naghahanap ng check ball.
But in this case, kailangan niyang manigurado din sa kanyang opensa.
Up by 6 now, only ahead by 4. And once again, itong very game team ng University of Batangas able to stay close. Nabor. Good variation coming from Diolan. Pinabuka, hindi na yung blockers, pinabuka yung floor defense. Mapakilos mo lang dahil nakaplanta-planta eh.
Tama. At itong sinabor because she's a lefty, iba rin
Mahirap,
syempre
oo.
yung pinanggagalingan ng bola.
Ang tawag ko rito, kasamangan parang landmines. Di ba? Nakaplanta na eh. Pag
Oo.
lumakad ka, boom!
Merong
Nakaabang na. Aambushin ka. Oops! Montenegro. Oh, sabi ni Coach Ahmed, dito mo dalhin sa bandang gitna, sa bandang kabila.
let's see ngayon sa pagbalik, if that's what they'll do.
Down by 6. Timeout muna si Coach Ahmed and University of Batangas.
Yung kung lang yung ginagawa, tingnan nyo lang. Alam nyo lang malalaki, di ba? Hindi nyo lang sa gilid, check mo lang tayo. Pag maganda yung bola, binahin natin, di ba? Tingnan nyo, huwag nyo silang bibigyan ng huwag nyo silang bibigyan ng easy ball. Kasi pag easy ball ang binalik nyo, ang bumabalik sa atin atake, malalaki na sila. Di ba? Siguraduhin nyo lang yung bola nila, hindi nyo malinisin ng tama. Hindi, dapat lang ng laban. Dapat lang yung gawin. UB!
Just trying to break the momentum, and yun nga, yung mga bilin ulit ni Coach. Ang maganda dito, he's not trying to do anything fancy. At this point in time, just really the basic things,
Fundamentals.
yun yung binabalikan niya. Tingnan natin, ang maganda lang dito, nakikita natin consistently itong UB, yung kanilang first ball, they really, as I jinxed that one, pero most of it, talagang pinupwestuhan nila.
Pero ang husay din talagang maglagay ng bola itong si Jaja. Bakit? Kasi tanaw niya eh.
Oo naman.
Di ba?
Ano niya?
Yung vision,
Vision,
yung perspective. The official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Jaja Santiago together with Myla Pablo and Dindin Santiago. Yan ang three-headed dragon ng National U. It was 22-16 earlier. But after that last, or 22-15 earlier, but after that last error ni Dindin Santiago, makakakuha ang Brahmans ng regalong puntos. 16 serving 22. The maroon shirts trying to stay close. And the Bulldogs looking to inch closer to close out this first set. Jump serve para sa Brahmans. Diolan going to Nabor. Nabor down the line. Castor going to the back row. Oops.
Miscalculated that one.
Ano nangyayari pag gano'n?
Actually, yun. Nasa likod siya. I think tinatry niyang i-control yung pagbalik ng bola. Kasi may mga palo na talagang hahatawin mo eh. Pero yun, he just wanted to put the right force. Kaya lang, nandun siya sa likod.
If it's fan, family, and pizza, it's got to be shaky. Minsan papatayin mo yung pectus eh, di ba?
Oo.
Oops! Monteser against 2. Oh, ang ganda ng hustle play na yun ng libero ng National U. Monteser against a solitary blocker. Hindi sila makapatay ng bola, no? Talagang pupunto sila. Talagang kailangan mahaba yung rally para sa kanila.
Oo. Doon sila lumalamang.
Yan.
Mahaba yung rally dahil talagang ang liliksi gumalaw sa loob ng court.
Tingnan mo, parang puro mga sprinter. Eh. Tingnan mo pumorma.
Lahat nakababa.
Oo. Hindi na kailangang ituro. Automatic. Two-man wall. Double block for National U. Diolan. Combination play. Pablo seals the deal. 9-point margin. Here in the first set, 25-16 for National U. They fell behind early, gathered themselves, and eventually, enough composure and vast experience allowed the shake and play for the Lady Bulldogs en route. Their first set win against a very game Lady Brahmans team from the University of Batangas.